In this tutorial, we're going to cover index match and VLOOKUP. Going to find cabinets in this particular instance. Here we have this layout. It's index match first and then VLOOKUP second. The index match is going to give us a returns a value based on its column. Match searches for a value. VLOOKUP, look up a value in first column and return a value. The analysis, we're going to look up a match in this particular case based on a SKU. We want to find particular appliance, its location, and its retail price. What does it mean in index match? It looks like this thing is going to want to spill. What's the spill? Oh my word, it is hell in a handbasket. It's Excel's attempt to simplify all of this, and I am not a fan. It just makes things more complicated. For example, you see this little highlighted box here? That is the remnants of this spill feature. Is it good or bad? Look, you can make that decision on your own. Here, VLOOKUP doesn't deal with that nuisance. We're going to use the SKU. Based on the SKU, if we looked up 4005, what's it going to do? We'll go to 4005, and it's going to be cabinets, Los Angeles, and 1450. Here you're going to see this particular index match. If there are multiple matches, it's just going to produce the same information. These are just independent. This may or may not be dynamic. That's another word I just despise. A couple words I just despise. Dynamic is one of them. I'll use the word active. An active range. Well, it's an active list if it has a spill feature. Hit F9 and you're going to see, purely for an example, that the SKU is going to change, and then subsequently the appliance, location, and retail are going to change. Why? If you're operating a set of retail stores, you want to know where your stuff is. And this is a really simple example. This is nice. Ignore the duplicates. But if you look 6004, it's going to show you oven, San Francisco. How do we do it? You're going to see that we have this if error. Well, we have the index across. So this isn't a spill feature. This bottom one might be. I don't know. I'll have to look into it. But here we go. We have the index, and we know we have 4 name ranges here. Why? Because we're looking for appliance. That's standalone. We have location, and we have retail price. In previous examples I showed you, we were picking columns. Remember? Here it says column number. We didn't elect to go column number. We just stuck with 0, 0, and 0. Why? Because we're just simply asking for this SKU number, 10004. And the reason we're not using columns is because we're looking only in this case, or in the index, we're only looking for appliance. If we go over to location, all we're looking for in index is location. If we highlighted this entire list, then we could put column 1, column 2, or column whatever number. So we have columns 1, 2, 3, 4. We could have put column 4 here, but we just stuck with this for simplicity. So we have countertop, and we have H5, which is the SKU. We have the SKU, which is the lookup array, and that's where, go down here, B5 to B13. From there, what's index looking up? It's looking up appliances. Let's take a look at appliance, C5 to C13. And it produces this information. In terms of VLOOKUP, it's just as simple. We're looking up 4005. Now the difference here is we're looking up the entire range. This is where we set the columns. And we're looking up the entire range, and what do we want? We want appliance. So we have, keep in mind when you're doing VLOOKUP, you always count, column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5. I mess this up all the time. Keep in mind that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's identified here. Remember, it says ask for column number 2. And then it's asking for 0, which is what? We'll go down here, and it says an exact match is 0 is false, which is an exact match. 1 is true, which is an approximate match. I screw that up all the time. Make a note of it or just try to remember it. I usually have a note here that says 1 equals true and 0 equals false. Little bass backwards. But that's it. You can read what we just talked about right here. And this layout here, as you're going to see, the index, they're all identical other than the fact that we changed what we were looking for. We were looking for appliances and location and retail price. And that's identified right here. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.